In this video, we are going to fix the brakes on this trooper that has sat for the last 3 years unused with a new master cylinder, front and rear calipers, so we can take this thing home and bring it back to life. Welcome to Project Isuzu Trooper Rescue. This is a 1987 Isuzu Trooper. It is incredibly dirty, but it has new tires. It actually runs and drives. That door doesn't open. That door doesn't open. Oh, it's locked. Well, that's fun. Hopefully the person coming to meet me has the keys. While this thing runs and drives, it does not stop. We are borrowing a friend's shop, and we're gonna change the master cylinder and all 4 calipers and bleed and get the brakes running. Once this thing can drive, we are gonna clean this thing up. And hopefully I can convince them to keep it around for a while, because I would like to test the off-road prowess of this versus my G-Wagon. If it doesn't stop, you jump in front of it. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Let's not go too far up so we can take the master cylinder off first. This is our lovely engine. This is the old school engines where you can actually get to stuff. So I'm happy to try this. First, we are going to righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Multitasking. Yeah, let's not break. I will break everything. This is a 12. Man, these bolts are just coming off. We did spray this thing down with penetrating oil. One bolt, let's see if it comes up. Oh, look at that, man. So guys, if you can get to them, master cylinders are super easy. I just dumped hot brake fluid all over my arm. Are super easy to replace. I'm just gonna put this thing in and we're gonna bleed it up here before we connect it. Ta-da! Probably a torque setting, so click, click. Click. New master cylinder installed. Let's see if I can get this all over everything.
You're not gonna make it dirty, are you?
Okay, I think I have this set up right. So I've got one to each of the brake lines, and then they go around and they're clipped into here. So now he's gonna start pumping the brakes. Are they pumping?
Oh, there you go.
And we're going to, all right, stop, pump a little bit more. Okay, hold on. Hold it wherever you're holding it. We'll push it down one more time. I gotta add more fluid to this. All right, pump. Okay, hold on. Push down on the brake. All right, push the thing down.
Still pressing.
Okay, let go. All right, push it down. Let go. All right, push down. Let go. Let go, push down, let go, push down, let go. All right, we're gonna call that good enough for now. We definitely got some in there, and I don't really know what I'm doing, so let's hook up the rest of it.
It's a new record for you.
New master cylinder installed. Next, we're gonna get off the brake calipers. Perfect. We're gonna take the front calipers off first. Two bolts hold the caliper in place. Oh my God, they're huge. You can work on the other side. 17 to take this off, and the 22 to take the back thing off. So just take that off and loop it up to the top, and then the 2 at the back. Nope. Now I need to get this off. Oh, good. Haha! We are not replacing the rotors or the pads for now, I don't think. Correct?
That brake fluid's like just all draining out of here, by the way.
Okay. Do you have your thing pushed up?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to take this apart. Maybe not.
You're getting that thing fixed.
I guess that's a pretty good sign when the pads go back in it. So it goes this way because those are at the back. I was talking to a patient today and they go, "Oh, it's Friday, you get a half day, don't you?" I was like, "Nope, after I'm done, I can get lunch and go put in a set of brakes."
Damn, you already got the new one on?
Yeah, I'm not around. So we now have new front calipers on both sides. So we're gonna, it's still dripping some stuff from somewhere, but we're gonna replace the back ones and then we're gonna bleed the whole system together. So now we come to the back, which looks a little more complicated because there's a parking brake involved. So I'm just gonna start taking stuff off and see what it looks like. Oh yeah. All right, so then this comes off of here. What was that? Oh, rust, that's good. And then this has got to pull out of here somehow. Oh, there we go. All right. You can do the same thing on the other side.
Fine, I just took off.
There it goes.
Those 17s that are holding it on?
Yeah.
Did you break them with
The bottom one I had to break with that. The top one I broke with the bar.
Why are you moving my fluid?
Yeah. It's like getting out a tooth. Hopefully they'll take that as the core charge. Here, you might need this.
This is like new bad. Yeah, that's not
Yeah, this one, the bracket might need to come off because there's those clips are, it's kind of stuck. I think this one was stuck closed. Oh, look, they just rotate up. Oh, that's easy. How do you get the back one out? Will you throw me that hammer? Our expert says put the bracket on first. Do you have that 17 hand wrench? God, just go in there. Oh, I got it. I found a hammer.
So the next guy didn't open it and said, "Ooh, shoot." Word.
All right, I got that in all by myself without any help. All right, pump. Hold. All right, pump, hold, pump, hold. All right, one more time. Pump, hold. Okay. It was kind of sputtering when I was pulling it in here. We ran out of gas. I am going to clean up just a little bit so I can see to get home. Well, this actually might have made it instantly worse. Huh. Oh, I lost the key. Look at that.
You have to-
That's perfect. Oh, almost.
little gas in it.
It just needed some love. Okay, it does seem to stop. It's a little rough. Top. All right, we got a good hill here. Maybe a little spongy, but it stops. All right, guys. He said it was a 97. This is a 98. Driving the 1980, 89, I don't know, somewhere around there. Isuzu Trooper. Despite the filth, this thing reminds me a lot of my first car, which was a 1989 Chevy S10 Blazer. It's good, I love that car. It seems to be stopping, that's a good, it's it's running a little rough right now. Maybe that's just because it's dirty. We probably need to clean the air intake. I ran off the road, but that's okay. I got my visibility spot. Next service due, March 10th, 2001. My wife's gonna be so mad at me if I end up keeping this. No, I got the G-Wagon. Ooh. Let's just pick a spot. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to catch the detailed video of the outside of this Trooper, and check out all the other Skippy Rock projects. See how the you can see the stuff turning red? That's because there's no clear coat over it. So that's okay because it's a one-stage paint. I mean, look at that. That is what we're going to do with this car.